We've all seen movies where a monstrous snake lurks in the darkness and takes apart a group of friends one by one. While that is a bit of an exaggeration for entertainment, there's no denying that our world has some truly gigantic snakes. Even though they don't really feed on human flesh, it's still natural to be scared when you spot one of these behemoth reptiles in the wild. But do you know which snakes are the largest? That's what we are here to discuss today. Here are 11 largest snakes in the world that will give you the chills. So let's begin. Number 11. Eastern Indigo Snake. First up are the Eastern Indigo Snakes, which are solely found in southeast Georgia and peninsular Florida. The serpent can reach lengths of around 8 feet and can weigh up to 11 pounds. You can easily identify one of them due to their smooth scales and their bluish-black color. But despite their considerable size, these reptiles do not carry any venom. In fact, the Eastern Indigo Snake is the largest non-venomous snake native to America. They are extremely active during the day and can be spotted near wetland edges during the summers. But when winter comes, these serpents quickly seek shelter in their dens in the sandhill habitats. Fun fact, the eastern venomous snake mimics the rattle of a rattlesnake when threatened to protect itself, and the disguise does work occasionally. Number 10. Molga Snake. Molga snakes, or as some of you might know them, the king brown snakes, are often just as big as the eastern indigos, reaching lengths of around 8 feet. Depending on their size, these snakes may weigh around 6.5 pounds to 13 pounds. But unlike the eastern indigo snake, the king brown snakes aren't harmless. In fact, they are highly venomous and deliver a concoction of myotoxins through their bites. And they are capable of delivering a huge dose of around 150 milligrams through each bite. Found exclusively in Australia, you can run into one of them in any of the nation's states, except Tasmania and Victoria. When it comes to food, these serpents prefer to munch on rodents, lizards, frogs, and other snakes. Yes, it can even gulp down other venomous snakes. The Molga snakes are only dangerous to human beings when they feel threatened. However, there have been some reports where people have been bit while they were asleep. Number 9. King Cobra. King cobras are known as the largest venomous snakes since they can reach lengths of around 12 to 13 feet on average, but can grow up to 18 feet long as well. And at a weight of just around 13 pounds, the king cobras may not seem like much of a threat at first. That's just until they bite you and inject their venom in you. The venom is so potent that the amount they inject in just one bite is enough to kill 20 adult human beings. That small amount of venom can also take down an elephant. The dangerous and huge snakes don't seek out human beings to start a fight though. In fact, most bites occur when the snake feels threatened by a human's presence or actions. But nesting females of the species can attack without provocation to protect their eggs. King cobras are found in Asia only, in countries like India, China, and Indonesia. They mostly inhabit streams of dense forests and are ophiophagic. This means that these serpents often hunt and eat other snakes. Besides this display of cannibalism, king cobras also feed on small mammals, lizards, and birds. However, they don't seem to prefer feasting on rodents as much as many other snakes do. Number 8. Boa Constrictor. On average, boa constrictors measure around 13 feet and can reach body weight of around 60 pounds. However, particularly large specimens can grow up to 18 feet and weigh more than 100 pounds. These non-venomous snakes are native to South and Central America. To hunt, these snakes use their body girth and strength to coil around their prey. Then, they apply immense pressure on the victim. But unlike previously believed, this method isn't to suffocate the captured animal. Instead, the snakes kill by restricting blood flow to the heart. Scientists discovered this tactic in 2015, and they believe suffocation isn't the goal, as many of the serpent's prey can survive for considerable periods without air. Another interesting fact about them is that they have one of the longest lifespans in the snake kingdom. Many of them will live to see their 35th birthdays, while the oldest boa constrictor on record went on to live for more than 40 years. Number 7. Yellow Anaconda. Well, we can't have a list of the largest snakes and not talk about anacondas. So here are the yellow anacondas. Although on the smaller side, yellow anaconda females can attain lengths of up to 13 feet, while the males are generally 6 to 7 feet. When it comes to weight too, the females outshine the males. Male yellow anacondas can reach weights of up to 33 pounds, while females can cross the 65-pound mark. The heaviest yellow anaconda weighed 110 pounds. Like all other anacondas, this one is a constrictor and coils around prey to squeeze them to death. They feed on rodents, caiman, fish, birds, turtles, and other vertebrates. However, yellow anacondas seem to have a preference for birds. They are found primarily in South America. However, there have been a few sightings in Florida. A small population of these snakes may have been introduced in this region as well. Number 6. Papuan olive python. Our next large snake is native to Papua New Guinea, which is why it's named Papuan olive python. An adult of the species can vary in length, ranging from 13 feet to 16 feet. As part of the python family, it isn't as heavy as some of its cousins. Generally, these snakes weigh around 50 pounds. One of the most distinctive features of the serpent is that its skin color changes from light and dark olive to brown shades, depending on the kind of lighting where you spot one. Obviously, the skin does not change the shade, but the light makes it look that way. Not only are these snakes non-venomous, they are known to be extremely docile in nature. Even while being handled by human beings, the Papuan olive python doesn't really seem to be all that bothered. The snake primarily lives on mammals and likes to ambush its prey when the other animal is nearby. Number 5. African rock python. African rock pythons can easily reach lengths of around 16 feet, meaning that they are extremely big. Some of them can even cross the 20 feet mark as well. Their size is further accentuated due to their immense weight. Some of them can weigh as much as 200 pounds. If you want to see one in its natural habitat, be sure to visit the savannas and grasslands of Africa. However, some people also keep these pythons as pets, but that may not be a good idea for everyone. African rock pythons aren't particularly aggressive towards human beings, but can attack when they feel threatened. They can also attack, kill, and feed on other pets, such as cats and dogs, staying in the same property. Moreover, these snakes live for 20 to 30 years, and caring for such a large pet for such a considerable period can be extremely challenging. In the wilderness, the African rock python can be a dangerous foe for animals, killing birds and mammals by constriction. When in defensive mode, the rock pythons can spray a foul-smelling liquid from their tails. You don't want to be on the receiving end of this. Number 4. Indian python. Indian pythons can reach lengths of around 21 feet. Although are mostly smaller and at 150 pounds, the snake isn't exactly what you call light. Found in India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, and Nepal, these pythons feed exclusively on birds and mammals. Like all other pythons, this one also constricts around its prey to kill them. The Indian python can deliver a strong but non-venomous bite to capture the unaware animal. The females of the species are considerably larger than their male counterparts. Interestingly, the Indian pythons are so timid and shy that they usually prefer to flee when attacked or disturbed rather than attacking. Another fun fact is that they often move in a straight line, which people refer to as walking on ribs. Burmese pythons and Indian pythons can look similar to the uninitiated because the Burmese snakes are a subspecies of the Indian serpent. Number 3. Amethyst Python. From one python to the next, the Amethyst pythons can't really compete with Indian pythons when it comes to weight. They weigh just around 33 pounds. However, their length is what helps them secure the number 3 spot on our list today. These snakes can reach a maximum length of around 27 feet. Amethyst pythons are found in Australia, Papua New Guinea, and Indonesia. Its skin gives off a purplish hue because of the sheen on its scales. This pretty look makes it a popular choice for many as pets. However, they can create quite the ruckus. In Australia, the Amethyst pythons can wreak havoc while moving across a house by knocking down furniture and other items. These serpents feed on a variety of foods, including possums, fruit bats, some birds, monitor lizards, and rats. Without venom, this snake also relies on its bite followed by constriction to kill the captured animal. It is also the longest free-roaming snake in the entirety of Australia. Number 2. Reticulated Python. This is where the list gets even more interesting. Meet the reticulating python. It is the second biggest snake slithering across the planet today, but some claim that it may even be the biggest. But even though there are wildly conflicting accounts of size and weight, you should know that this serpent can easily reach lengths of around 29 feet. When it comes to the weight, some specimens of the snake weigh almost around 595 pounds. Can you imagine that? You can spot one of these in the rainforests of Vietnam, Bangladesh, and some other regions of Southeast Asia. As with many other pythons, the females are generally bigger when compared to the males. Although they are slow-moving animals on land, reticulated pythons are extremely talented swimmers. That's why they tend to hang around the waters and ambush prey there. Once again, constriction is the method used for the kill. Number 1. Green Anaconda. And finally, the largest snake in the world is none other than the green anaconda. With a maximum length of around 30 feet, the green anaconda is also known as the giant anaconda. And if their length didn't impress you, I am sure their weight will. The green anacondas can weigh around 550 pounds. These snakes are native to the northern regions of South America. They prefer residing in shallow and slow-moving streams rather than in running water. Ecuador, French Guiana, Bolivia, Guyana, and Peru are some of the countries where you might spot one of these behemoths. Due to their immense size and strength, the green anacondas can easily prey on large animals like deer and capybaras. And because of their slow metabolism, they only need to eat once every few weeks to survive. A not-so-fun fact, green anacondas are the only snakes capable of eating a human being, but such incidents are extremely rare. That's all about the largest snakes alive today. But is the green anaconda the largest snake we know of all time? Not at all. Meet the Titanoboa, an extinct species of snakes that could reach lengths of more than 40 feet and weighed almost 2,500 pounds. Can you imagine meeting the Titanoboa face to face? Well, that would have been a terrifying ordeal. So, did you enjoy the video? If you did, kindly like it immediately and share it with as many people as you can. Also, first-time viewers or those who haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so now. Click on the bell icon and turn on all notifications as well, so you get real-time updates when we post the next video. Stay safe and stay curious, and we'll see you guys soon in the next one. Bye!